All right, here we go. Question number 6 from our Precalculus homework number 13 in MyLab Math. It says find the sum of the sequence. Here they have given me the sigma notation, and all we need to do is find the sum of this series. So we're going to go to our scratch work and work this out. So evaluating this summation notation, remember k starts at 1. You go to your expression, you plug and play. That's going to give us 5 times 1 minus 2. And then we put a plus, and then k increments. Next, k would be 2. That's going to be 5 times 2 minus 2. And then we will have to evaluate each one of these calculations, but we need to keep going until we get to the last number up top. And plugging that in, the last term will be 5 times 5 minus 2. And so now notice I didn't write all of the terms of the sequence. I'm going to go ahead and calculate a couple of these and see if we can find a shortcut. So in the first term, 5 minus 2 is 3. Next, 5 times 2, 10 minus 2 is 8. And then if I were to do the next term, that would have been 5 times 3 minus 2. 15 minus 2 is 13. And then we're going to see if we can come up with a pattern. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So apparently what we're doing is we're adding 5 every time. So if I just continue that pattern, 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. And realize that would be the last term of the sequence. 25 minus 2 is 23. Also, I might mention that since k goes from 1 to 5, that means that there should be 5 terms in the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got them. And so now let's add those up, and we'll have our sum. And I don't know if you're like me, but I don't trust my mental mathematics. So I went to the calculator and added those up, and I found my sum to be 65. And so 65 should be our answer. And before we go to our MyLab Math and check our results, I thought it might be kind of cool if you have my Casio ClassWiz to see one of its neat features. The ClassWiz has the ability to input summation notation and calculate your sum for you. Here's how it works. If you look right above this X button, it may be really hard to see in the video, but there is a yellow summation notation. So anything that's in yellow, you have to click Shift to access it. And then again, that may be hard to see, but that is our summation notation, where we can enter our expression, which was 5. I'm going to use x. Again, it may be super hard to see, but it says x equal underneath, meaning that x is our variable. So we're going to say 5x minus 2. And then if I hit the over arrow on the keypad, it's going to move me to x equal. What did k start at? It started at 1. And again, if I hit the over arrow on the keypad, it jumps to the top, and our top number was 5. Once you've filled in all 3 pieces of the summation notation, you click equals, and it's going to give you your sum. So that is another reason why I love this calculator. It is so feature intensive. Fantastic. Now let's go back to the MyLab Math. All right, here we go, checking to see if our 65 is correct. Yeah, and we're done. So if you have any questions or comments about anything covered in this particular video, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.